Google has just upgraded Gemini 2.5 Pro to version 0506, and it's a serious powerhouse. The new model tops AI benchmarks across the board, outperforming others in performance, intelligence, and coding. At the time of writing, you can access it through Google's AI Studio, where the new version is listed in the model dropdown as Gemini 2.5 Pro 0506. It's also available in the Gemini platform, although it's not yet confirmed if this version is reflected there. For now, AI Studio is your best bet for exploring this upgrade. The latest version features a massive token window with over 1 million tokens. That's 5 times more capacity than other leading AI models. There's also a handy temperature slider that allows you to adjust creativity in responses. A setting of 2 allows the AI to be more creative, while 0 makes it process prompts more literally. Alongside these settings, there are toggles for structured outputs, code execution, function calling for external tools or APIs, and live web grounding to fetch real-time information via Google Search. Gemini 2.5 Pro 0506 is a true multimodal AI, capable of understanding text, images, and video. For example, if you upload an image of gecko camouflage on a tree, it will instantly identify the species and provide the scientific name. When it comes to coding, Gemini 2.5 Pro 0506 is a beast. You can prompt it with complex tasks like building a Windows XP style desktop interface with video player and paint, all in one HTML file. It generates the fully functional code that lets you drag windows around, use the paint, and play videos, all without any extra input. In terms of performance, Gemini 2.5 Pro 0506 is ranked number 1 in LM Arena across all categories, outperforming the competition by a significant margin. While it lags behind in some specific benchmarks like reasoning and complex language tasks, it shines in areas like math and data analysis. It also maintains a low hallucination rate of around 1.1%, making it reliable for fact-based tasks. Plus, it comes cheaper than other models, which makes it an excellent option for looking for both power and value. All in all, Gemini 2.5 Pro 0506 is a serious upgrade, particularly for those working with multimodal tasks or needing to run complex coding challenges. Its ability to process large prompts, analyze images and videos, and generate working code on the fly makes it a game changer for AI development. If you haven't yet, check it out on AI Studio and experiment with some of these impressive features yourself. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.